Do you know who's the administrator on your website, or when they did become an administrator, or maybe someone's upgraded themselves, or maybe even hacked into your website? You might not realize that there's more than one person or many that are administrators until you go down to users. But what if you wanted to be informed about that on your WordPress dashboard? Of course you can with a free code snippet. 3 big reasons why you should use code snippet. It's free, saves you having to use child theme, it protects you and allows you to roll back if there's ever any issues. Getting the plugin is super easy. Go over to WordPress, add new plugin, type in code snippets, and you can't miss it. Go in, install and activate it. Go down to Snippets, click Add New and give it a title. Then click the link in the video description and copy this code. Go and paste it over. Hit Save Changes and then Activate. And now when I go over to my dashboard, I can see the name, the email address and the date of registration. So if there was something happening where someone's upgraded or something's happening in your team, or maybe there's now 20 administrators, you're going to be informed about who they are as soon as you log in. Take care. See you soon.